going to work on double wrist grab. Make sure we have that in the air. And remember, we're going to practice this on both sides of our body. That is a huge challenge. Most of you have never tested on a technique like this before. But I know that you're ready to do it right now for your at-home challenge. So remember, the attack is a double wrist grab. Say double wrist grab.
Double wrist grab.
And the technique is called anvil. So first thing you do is you step back with your right leg and you say back.
Back.
Kick. Land forward. Butterfly palm strike. Asa. Stop, stay back.
Nice, Fiona.
Excellent job. Let's reset. This time I want you to say stop, stay back with the urgency, like someone is about to cough near you. Like a really, really, like as fast as you can, getting away. All right, team, both hands out. When you pull your hands back, you're pulling towards your thumbs. All right, team, back. Same foot that says back. Kick. Lands. Asa. Stop, stay back.
Good, team. Try to keep your balance, Gabriel.
Twice more on this side, then we're going to move on. Both hands out. Step back. Back. Kick. Asa. Stop. Stay back. Reset. Back. Kick. Asa. Stop. Stay back.
Good job, Catherine.
Excellent job, team. Now we're going to do it on the other side. The only difference is in the leg movement. The hand motion is all the same, but for this technique, now your other foot goes back, your other foot kicks. That's the foot that lands forward for the full technique. So both hands out. All right, team. Back. Kick. This time when I say go, do the whole technique because I think you've got it. And go. Back. Kick. Awesome. Stop. Stay back.
Riley.
A little bit faster, team. Reset. Go. Back. Kick. Awesome. Stop. Stay back.
Make sure you've got those butterfly hands, team.
Same side. Back. Kick. Awesome. Stop. Stay back. All right. Now you're absolute